Here I'm performing a dumbbell bench press. You can see that I'm creating an arch in my lower back. This is by bringing my hips back. You can see that I brought my foot as far back as it can, hence the heel is off the floor, and I'm also thinking of bringing my upper back down. So in fact, it's like think of a piece of paper where I'm pushing both ends, and this creates an arch in the lower back because I'm trying to bring my hips or butt up towards my upper back, and I'm thinking of bringing my upper back down towards my butt, and hence my heel is slightly off the floor. And now when I'm performing this movement, I'm holding this in a neutral grip. This allows it for the safest position for my shoulders, and I'm creating a relatively 45-degree angle between my upper arm and my torso. So I do not want it flare out at 90 degrees, neither do I want your arms tucked in by your side. I want it roughly around 45 degrees between the upper arm and your body. And now when I'm doing this movement, I'm doing it in a controlled manner. How low I go, once again, it is using control of the chest. I want constant tension on the chest. I do not want you to go all the way down such that you're hanging off the ligaments or the passive structure. You want to go down such that there's still constant tension on the chest and it's still within the active range of the chest or pectoral muscle. And then when I push back up, I'm pushing up and towards the center. So it's not just coming straight up, it's up and towards the center or the midline of your body. So once again, I'm going to recap. Main thing is that when I'm starting the movement, I kick the dumbbell off using my legs so that I do not have to use strength from my chest or my arms and not wasting energy. I'm creating an arch in my lower back by bringing my upper back down and bringing my hips or butt up towards my upper back, creating this little force or arch in my lower back for a greater stability. And you can see that my heels are off the floor so that when it gets difficult, I push my heels down, creating hip extension and creating the further arch, which allows for a better output. My upper arm is creating about a 45 to 60 degree angle at my body or torso. I'm holding this in a neutral grip and I'm lowering the weight in a controlled manner, low enough such that there is still constant tension on my chest. And then when I push back up, it's pushing up and towards the midline.